I'm Ashley from nerDigital. In this video, we are going to show you how to set up and use wait step in a flow in nerDigital Chatbot Marketing. Before we start, you must know that the wait step uses the contact's time zone. Plus, it is important to note that it does not reopen the 24-hour window for Facebook Messenger. This means that the Facebook message block or flow will not fire if the wait step is more than 24 hours, except if you will follow the wait step with an SMS or email block. Now, to create a wait step, click on the plus sign in the middle bottom part. Or just double-click any empty space on your flow builder. Then, select the wait step from the list. Adjust wait settings to your needs. You may choose among duration, specific date, or date and time custom field. First, if you will choose duration, you may select among seconds, minutes, hours, or days. You may also add a time interval. This will allow you to just send follow-up messages to a user during the hours you prefer. Second, if you will choose the specific date option, it will allow you to select a date and time you prefer your follow-up message to send. Third, if you will choose the date and time custom field, it will allow you to select among the custom fields you created with a type, date, and time. In this example, let's set it to 10 seconds. Now, let's test it. Let's wait for 10 seconds. There you have it. That is how you set up and use the wait step. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and make sure to press the bell icon to get notifications when we upload a new video.